Welcome to Hassan channel. Today we will have a test on the melamine papers on the extruding board and the extruding board such as the PVC foam board
and the fiber bamboo board.
Now we take a look. First one is the anti-static dust cleaning machine and the blowing machine, and it's the preheating machine. Now we have the colloidal machine on the surface of the extruding board. After colloidal, and then we will go to gluing. See the surface, the glue is very even and flat. All the melamine paper has been processed now. To combine the melamine paper and the PVC foam board, and then we will have the pressing machine. Okay, take the pattern. After pressing, they will take a look at the surface. With this technique, we can achieve the same time look with the door, cabinet, and also wall. Now we take a look at the finished product. Melamine paper with the PVC foam board, and this is the melamine paper with the co-extruding board. Looks really nice. See you, bye.